You know how you're watching a movie and sometimes at the end where it says no babies or animals or speakers or harmed during the making of this video or movie? Well, today I cannot do that because I'm about to beat the brakes off of this thing. Let's do it. This is the Soundcore 3. This is the Soundcore Mini 3. The video is not necessarily about the Mini 3 versus the Soundcore 3. Here's the deal, man. I'm about to beat the brakes off of this thing, and I'll tell you why. And I just wanted to compare the two because I know you're going to ask for a video like, hey, how does it sound compared to the Mini? And there's a good possibility that this thing might not work once I'm done with this video. So here it is, man. This is the Soundcore 3. This is the new one, man. And it is built like a freaking tank. There's a USB-C port right there. There's your bass radiator in the back. And then let's see on this side, this is like for a little lanyard so you can wrap it around your wrist. On the top, you got some controls. Can you even see those controls? Let's get you a top-down look. So here's the power, volume up and track minus, and volume up and tracks. And then you got your play button right there. There's your Bluetooth button. It's flashing. I'm not sure why because I'm already connected. And then you got a grill right there letting you see your drivers. There's two of them in there, and then you got your bass radiator in the middle thumping out all that bass because it does bang. It sounds really, really good. What I'm going to do right now, because I don't want to stay in here too long, man. I got some activities to do. I'm going to go ahead and play a little sound sample from this thing. It's got all the ratings, man. It's got the IPX7 or IP7 rating, good battery life, and all kinds of good stuff. I'm going to give you a sound test of this, then I'll play this and let you hear how they sound compared to each other at the same setting and same volume, and then we're gonna have some fun. You ready? All right, here's the deal. Since the Mini fires up, I had to kind of tilt up the Soundcore 3 because it has that bass radiator in the back, and I wanted to get some of that flex going, have some room so it can, breathe back there and still fire up. So what I'm gonna do right now is play a track called Bad Guy. It's an instrumental, non-YouTube copyrighted song. I'll play it on the Soundcore 3 first, and I'll switch back and forth. So here we go. And this is at 60% volume, by the way. All right, we're gonna go to the Mini. Hold up. There's the Mini. Back to the 3. All right, naturally, this one is louder. It has dual drivers, okay? It's got 2 drivers as compared to 1. They both sound really clean. They're both on the Soundcore signature EQ, the preset, with bass up on. So, man, as far as the way they sound, this one is just louder at 60%. It's because you're getting it twice. And this one, I mean, they both sound really good. So it really just depends on form factor and what you're going to be using the speaker for. And I don't know. As far as sound goes, though, it's really tough because if you're listening to it at moderate volumes, you're going to get quality either way. Honestly, I believe you're getting a little bit more than what you're paying for inside of both of the speakers. They both sound fantastic. This one's just a little louder. Still same quality, great Soundcore signature sound. This one's just louder because you're getting it twice. And I think it's like 15 watts or something like that. Don't quote me on it. I think it's 15 watts. You got to look it up in the description. But yeah, man, it is time to go play. Y'all ready to go? Let's go. Okay, here's the story. So I'm getting a pool installed in the backyard. I should say we're getting a pool installed in the backyard. They just dug it out today and kind of framed things up. And I was talking to my friend at Soundcore about this speaker, and I told him how durable it feels. And I thought, man, people are always talking about it's, you know, is it IPX whatever rated? Is it tough? Can it be, you know, submerged in the water? Does it float? Can it be splashed on? Or, you know, what can it take? But nobody ever kind of proves this stuff on camera. I got a lot of water and mud out here, so we're just gonna see how it stands up to all of the abuse I'm about to give it, because this is the kind of speaker that if you're kind of a contractor and you want a very inexpensive speaker that you can just toss around and just abuse, you know, just because you're not thinking about your speaker, you just want to hear the music, this might be the speaker for you. So we'll see. So it's jamming right now. Yo, it still works. Both drivers are still going. Oh my God. Okay. All right, so here's the grill. Speaker is still intact. Let me turn this off. Oh my God. Let me see. Okay. Wow, it still works. Okay, so I did not run over it over rocks, over concrete or anything, but you know, who does something like that? And I drive a Cadillac, so I'm not taking it through the full mud. That was crazy, man. So yeah, man, it could take a beating and it still jams. I hope y'all had a good time checking out this video. I got to get this thing cleaned up just to see what it looks like, and I'll post what it looks like after the video is over. But yeah, man, it's gone through some serious abuse. A couple of dunks in the water, some scrapes through the mud, some dunks in the mud, being run over by a car in the mud, and a hit with a baseball bat. So yeah, I'm no expert in this kind of stuff, but I will tell you, this thing is pretty damn durable. That is crazy. It is still playing, man. Let me see. That's nuts. All right, man, I'm gonna clean this thing up. I'll see you when I see you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me get this straight. You sat through this whole video, the whole thing, and never once decided to hit the subscribe button or the like button? Man, it'd be the ones closest to you. I see how you are.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?